we took some time to find this observatory on 4th floor. 101 building inside is so big, there are a lot of shops, so we were kind of lost. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the last video, I showed you 101 tower visit from the outside, and today is the time to go inside this tower and explore what is inside and how it will feel if we are on the top floor of this skyscraper. So let's begin our journey. I'm on the first floor and I'm really excited to go and visit the whole building as much as possible. I will try my best to cover most of the places inside this building. So right now we are moving towards the second floor because I found the first floor has some shops, like Apple store is there. It's not that much important to visit for now. So without further ado, let's move to the another floor. Right now we are on the second floor and I can see the mall is so attractive. I want to visit almost every shop because for me this mall is kind of very different from the other malls. If you compare and if you visit here, then you will see the ambience of 101 inside is quite different from other malls. But the current goal for us is to find the observatory as soon as possible so that we can go to the top floor and see the sunset. This is our goal for today evening. We have a plan to go on the top floor and spend some time because our friends told us that there are very interesting areas and we can have some photos there, and there are some cafes also. So I'm thinking if I go there and when I'm coming back and taking the video to show you guys, it will take a lot of time and I'll be tired. So I'm thinking to cover all the areas whenever I'm moving towards the observatory so that I can cover almost the important part of 101 building and you can also visit this place with me. We found that observatory start from the 4th floor. So we are now at the 4th floor and moving towards the observatory. To go to the observatory, we need to walk some time, and that's what we are doing. And here you can see the Gucci. But I think the most important thing for now is to go to the top floor. And we are trying our best to not to indulge with any other thing because right now it is 5:20. It's only 40 minutes left. And people told me that we have to be in the queue and the queue is very long to use the lift, which will take 37 seconds from the 4th floor to go to the top floor. So finally we found the way to go to the observatory, and when we are moving we found that this place is so relaxing. That's why people are sitting here, and this shop attracted me too much. This is the tea shop and I really want to taste the tea here, but no time. So we need to be in the queue, and the most happiest part for this journey was we found the ticket for the observatory. Actually the price was 600 Taiwan dollar, but being a student we got 300 Taiwan dollar off, so we only paid 300. And this is the poster. It shows that how we will feel when we are on the top, and this will be the view for us. So we are excited to go there. We are in the queue waiting for our turn. Finally we got the ticket. After buying the ticket, we need to move with people, and there is a big queue after buying the ticket also. This is the way we are walking through and trying our best to reach the lift ASAP. Within 10 minutes we are here. This is the lift model and we are waiting for our turn. And now we are going inside the lift. I really want to make the video for you, because it's gonna take only 37 seconds. So the lift is closed now, and they closed all the light inside the lift, and that's how we felt. So you can see they are like creating the environment for us, and it seems like we are in the sky, and it's really beautiful to be inside this lift, and I'm really happy. But this lift journey will be finished only within 37 seconds, and after that we are going to see the real view from the top of the floor. So the lift is open. Wow! I felt the building in front of me looked so tiny, but when I was at the first floor outside 101, that building was so tall. So now I'm so happy because I can see the outside view from the top floor. It's amazing, right? Within 37 seconds, we reached here. I must say that this view is really good, but unfortunately, the sun is already gone and we missed the sunset. This was our first time to visit 101 and we missed the sunset, but still the view is really good and I'm happy to be here. The sunset was important, but it was not the only goal for us because here on this top floor we have some other things to see. That is the decoration they have made and the environment they created on this floor so that we can sit here, we can enjoy, and the most important thing, we can take some good pictures. Around 9 p.m. they will close this floor and they are going to close the 101 building. Before this happens, this is the time to visit and explore this floor. So I am in this corner and this corner tells about the Taipei Zoo in Taiwan. They have some real creatures here and they made this corner just like a jungle. So I feel really good here. And for now, there are no people here, so I'm going to make the short video, so that you can also see. And apart from this, they have some animals like soft toys to sell. And I'm not going to buy anything from here because I found because of 101 top floor, they have made the prices for these toys are very expensive. So I believe if I buy the same toys from other places, it will be cheaper for me. And here is the second attractive place which I find like very attractive to me. So it feels like they have placed some plastic plants and these lights seems to me just like fireflies. So you can see people are really interested to take pictures here and I was also really interested to take some pictures here. Before that, I'm making video for you so that you can also see what are these important attractive places which you should consider visiting when you come to 101. So this is the another one and here is the another spot, and if you go and take pictures, so they write everywhere the most attractive spot. This is their way, everywhere they wrote it and they paste some pictures or something like that. It's my personal opinion, but I found this one is the most attractive place for me. I feel like this one is like fairy tale. I mean, this place looks like something doesn't belongs to this planet, so they created this environment just like that. They have placed some lights and there is a half moon where you can sit and take pictures just like this child. The mother has told this child to sit there, but he's not interested to sit there. But I'm really interested, because I'm making the video. So first I'll record the video and later on I will click my picture. So you also tell me what is your favorite spot in this video. Thank you for watching. In the next video I will show you what are those important techniques they followed to save this building from earthquakes.